And when he becomes conclosed, will take
Conscious,
him to
conscious, conscious.
con- conscious, will take him to hospital.
Yes. So, what will you do in in some situations, right? This we have to understand over here. Okay. Okay. By for
Okay, ma'am.
example, okay, for example, if your friend suddenly faints, मतलब if you are in a school, if you are in a playground, है ना, कहीं पे भी, या फिर आप अपने ही सोसाइटी में खेल रहे हो, एंड दैट टाइम इफ योर फ्रेंड सडनली फेंट नोजिया, मतलब कि उनको थोड़ा चक्कर जैसा आए, बेहोशी जैसा हुए, तो आप क्या करोगे, है ना? तो व्हाट विल यू डू इन सर्टेन प्लेसेस? यू विल नॉट पैनिक, आप घबराओगे नहीं, चिल्लम चिल्ली नहीं करोगे, आप क्या करोगे? आप उनको एक सिरप पिलाओगे, ओके, विच इज मेड फ्रॉम लेमन जूस, मतलब यू नो बाय मिक्सिंग शुगर एंड वाटर, यस, एंड लेमन, है
Yes,
ना,
ma'am.
जैसे हम नींबू पानी बोलते हैं गुजराती में, है ना,
Yes,
ऐसा
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा लेमन जूस पिलाओगे, वाटर एंड शुगर जो ऐड किया हो उसमें, ओके। अपार्ट
Okay,
फ्रॉम
ma'am.
दैट व्हाट कैन यू डू, है ना, यू कैन टेक हिम टू अ वॉटर एरी प्लेस એટલે કે જ્યાં સારો પવન હોય, હે ને,
Yes, ma'am.
अगर
Yes, ma'am.
अगर if the child is feeling suffocation, है ना, उनको अगर घबराहट हो रही है, तो आप उनको कहाँ ले जाओगे? एरी प्लेस पे, ओके। एंड
Okay,
विल,
ma'am.
हाँ, एंड इफ ही और शी इज वेयरिंग टाइट क्लोथ्स, एकदम टाइट क्लोथ्स, फिट एंड फिट, राइट, टाइट क्लोथ्स, so what will you do? You will loosen his clothes, and when he becomes conscious, will take him to the hospital, और थोड़ी देर के बाद आप हॉस्पिटल जाओगे। पहले से ही आप हॉस्पिटल जा सकते हो, but until the ambulance comes or until the rickshaw comes, you have to wait. Yes, in that period of time आप ये सब process कर सकते हो, right? You can call in emergencies, you can call in hospital, है ना, you can also call your elders, मतलब आपके घर में कोई बड़े हो उनको भी बुला सकते
Yes,
हो।
ma'am.
Yes, in your school, if you are, you can call your teachers, you can call your principals, right?
Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
for an emergency you can call them, in your but the first attempt आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपके पास मोबाइल हो, आसपास में कोई बड़े हो, तो आपको सबसे पहले you have to call an doctor, okay, you have to call an emergency in doctor, or you have to call an ambulance, okay. After that you
Okay, ma'am.
try to call and inform everyone, okay. But first step, as in conscious mind, you should do this, okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Mary, read this again.
Yes, ma'am. Question number one. If your friend suddenly suffers from nausea, answer. If my friend faints suddenly, I will make him drink syrup made by mixed lemon juice, water, and such. I will, I will make him rest and at an airy place. I will lose his clothes, and when he becomes conscious, we'll take him to hospital.
Yes. Understood what you will do all? Farhana Lada, are you present? Chalo, mute your mic, others, please. Farhana,
Madam.
Farhana,
Ma'am.
Farhana,
Yes, ma'am.
can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
तो what will you do when your friend suddenly faints और nausea feel हुआ से, तो आप क्या करोगे?
उसको कोई सिरप पिलाने।
Syrup means not syrup, the cough syrup.
Yes,
Uh, water, lemon, sugar added juice. Okay.
yes.
फिर
फिर हम डॉक्टर को एडवाइस देंगे।
हम्म
फिर उसकी वो बेहोश हो गया हो तो उसके आँख में पानी डालते।
ओके
बाद में उसको हर दिन मेडिसिन देनी है।
ओके
उसको उसको एक्सेस स्पीड नहीं करना।
क्या
तो
नहीं करना है?
स्पीड नहीं करनी है
हाँ,
मेडिसिन।
मेडिसिन स्पीड नहीं करने की।
ओके। ओके, वेरी गुड। ओके फरहाना, जब भी आप मेडिसिन के बारे में बात करो तो यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर कि यू विल नॉट गिव द मेडिसिन, any medicines which is not described subscribed by any doctor. Okay,
ओके
हमेशा डॉक्टर की सब्सक्रिप्शन वाली मेडिसिन ही देनी होती है, अपने आप कोई भी दवाई किसी को भी नहीं देनी होती है। इज इट क्लियर?
ओके।
Yes, Iman Fatima, what when you do when suddenly your friend suffers from nausea?
Ma'am, um, when okay, ma'am. My if my friend suddenly suffer from nausea, so I will give him lemon juice. I will uh, where he, he nausea will be so I can so I will go to hospital and tell that or I will go to elder person that help me and
Okay, chalo, very good, Iman. So you
I
will
will
follow all these steps, right? You will try to loosen his or her clothes, take him to an airy place, and take him to an hospital. Yes,
yes
all
ma'am.
these steps you will follow. Yes. So
Okay, ma'am.
mute your mics, all of you. Okay. Chalo. Muskan, revise this answer once more, and then we will see the next one.
Okay, ma'am. First question. If your friend suddenly suffers from nausea, answer. If my friend suddenly, I will make him drink syrup made by mixing lemon juice, water, and sugar. I will make him rest at an airy place. I will loosen his clothes and when he becomes conscious, will take him to hospital.
Hmm. Understood now, everyone, this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see the next one. If an epidemic strikes your village, है ना, कभी भी कोई एपिडेमिक स्ट्राइक करे आपके विलेज में या सिटी में या टाउन में, तो आप क्या करोगे? ओके, दैट वी विल सी। यस, कंटिन्यू मुस्कान।
Yes, ma'am. Second question. If an epidemic strikes your village, answer. If an epidemic strikes my village, first, first of all, I will inform nearby government hospital or primary health center. Second, I will drink boiled water. Third point, follow doctor's advice. Fourth point, cover all the pits filled with dirty water. Fifth point, will not excrete or spit in the open. Sixth point, I will take the preventive medicine regularly.
यस, मतलब कि कभी कोई एपिडेमिक स्ट्राइक हो जाए हमारे विलेज में, तो हम क्या करेंगे? व्हाट विल वी डू? ओके, इन सच केसेस। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या करना है? हमें एक, कैन यू प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्स, ऑल ऑफ यू, म्यूट योर माइक्स। Again and again, I have to say, please mute your mics, mute your mics, mute your mic immediately. Okay. First of all, what you will do, you will inform to nearby government hospitals. जो भी नजदीक में government hospital हो, वहाँ पे inform करोगे. Okay. और गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स पे भी कर सकते हो, प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स पे भी कर सकते हो इन्फॉर्म. ओके, देन यू विल ड्रिंक बॉइल्ड वाटर ओनली. In any such cases, you will drink boiled water. Then you will follow doctor's advice. Cover all the pits filled with dirty water. Will not excrete or spit in the open. है ना. Excrete or spit in open means के you will not go for any nature's call washroom in the open, or you will not spit मतलब थूकोगे भी नहीं in the open. Okay, will take preventive medicines regularly. Regularly आप medicines लोगे. All these points you will
Sure.
follow. Okay, so this is about
Okay,
if
ma'am.
an epidemic strikes in your village. Yes, Mehreen, repeat this better answer. Revise it.
Yes, ma'am. Number two. If it strikes your village. Answer. If epidemic stage. Now, first of all, I will inform nearby government hospital or center. But I will drink water. Number three. Follow doctor's advice. Number four. Cover the face with wet water. Number five. Will not exert or speak in the open. Number six. I will take the preventative medicine regularly.
Yes, absolutely right. I will take the preventive medicines regularly. Now we will see the third one. If there is a theft in your neighbor's house, है ना, अगर आपके neighbor's
Yes,
house
ma'am.
में if there is any theft, तो what will you do? अगर कोई चोर आ गया है आपके neighbors के घर में, तो आप क्या करोगे, है ना? What will you do in such
Yes, ma'am.
conditions? That we will see. Yes, Muskan.
Okay, ma'am.
Read beta.
Yes, ma'am. Third, if there is a theft at your neighbor's house. Answer. If theft takes place in my neighbor's house, first of all, I will inform the nearest police station. I will get the list of the stolen items prepared in the presence of police. I will cooperate to the police proceedings. I will search if the stolen items prepared in the presence of police. I will cooperate to the police proceedings. I will search if the thieves have left any
Evidence.
evidence behind. I will offer normal support to the neighbor.
Normally, moral.
Sorry, ma'am. Moral.
Hmm. So, if there is a theft in our neighbor's house, Muskan, what we कुलसुम क्या करोगे आप?
Ma'am, first of all, we will call to the police and tell that my neighbor house theft are come.
Hmm. Thieves have come.
Yes, ma'am. Thief has come. Then, mm,
Yes. Then what will you do?
then,
No one can say.
ma'am, that police has prepared the list of stolen presents and we will cooperate the police proceedings.
Hmm. Very good.
Then
Okay, no problem. चलो, I'll explain you. See, if there is a theft, मतलब कि अगर चोरी हुई है आपके neighbors house में, तो आप क्या करोगे? What will you do in such circumstances, right? तो see, बेटा ये सारे जो circumstances है उसमें आप अपनी bravery कैसे दिखा रहे हो? That is mentioned. Okay, how you are doing your job towards your neighbors, towards your friends, towards your city, all this is shown in this, right? So if there is any theft in your neighbor's house, तो आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए कि you have to uh, inform the police. What you have to do, you have to inform the nearest police station, है ना? And what will you do then?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, then if the police comes over there, you will get the पूरा लिस्ट बनाओगे आप कि उनके घर में क्या क्या चोरी हुई है, कैसे हुई थी, what are the things stolen, at what time the thieves had come, right? All these things you will make a least of it, right? And you will help the police to do their work. You will try to inform with the maximum informations that you have to give to the पुलिस राइट आप सारी इंफॉर्मेशन उनके साथ शेयर करोगे यस और नो
Yes, ma'am.
एंड यू विल बी गिविंग द राइट
Yes, ma'am.
इंफॉर्मेशन सच्ची इंफॉर्मेशन दोगे आप है ना कोई भी रॉन्ग
Yes, ma'am.
इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दोगे यू विल बी गिविंग ऑल द करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन टू द police so that it will be helpful for them to do their duty to do their work okay
Okay, ma'am.
yes and so you will completely cooperate yes to the police proceedings completely आप cooperate करोगे and will search that if there is any evidence अगर कोई evidence हो वहां पे evidence मतलब कि any proof if the thief has left okay apart from all this beta you will give a moral support to your friend है ना to your neighbor
Yes, ma'am.
है ना moral support के भाई don't worry police is doing the investigation you will
Yes,
get your
ma'am.
things back don't cry don't get panic है ना you will get everything
Yes,
back
ma'am.
police is doing their work and everything right so all
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
about your duty yes
Yes, ma'am.
now why only Muskan is repeating giving me answers others are not understanding
Ma'am, I don't understand.
huh
Ma'am, I don't understand.
only Muskan is replying
But I don't understand.
Ismat Nayan is
Yes, ma'am.
Ismat you understood better
Yes, ma'am.
huh
Ma'am, the screen is not there.
sorry
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
screen is
I
not
have to
there.
speak very
Ma'am,
good.
she is telling that, but your screen is not there.
yes actually I was searching for your name so that's why Ismat समझ में आया
Ma'am,
okay yes Ismat revise this answer once more
Ma'am,
if that is and your house and
there is lot of
if that
disturbance there is lot of disturbance yes continue Ismat
ma'am, can I
yes,
revise?
ma'am. If it is mine, it broke the house. All I will report the nearest police station. I will write the list of the item prepared in the Pacific of police.
no Ismat we are not able to listen you Ismat your voice is not clear Farhana
I
Lada read better
okay, ma'am.
Farhana Lada
If there is a thief at your neighbor house, if thief take place in my neighbor house, first of all I will inform the nearest police station. I will get the list of the stolen item prepared in the presence of police. I will cooperate to the police proceeding. I will search if the thieves have left any advice behind. I will offer moral support to the neighbors.
to the neighbors है ना टू द नेबर्स आपके फ्रेंड भी हो सकते हैं और कभी नहीं भी हो सकते पर
Yes, ma'am.
आप ऐसे सर्कमस्टेंसेस में उनको मोरल सपोर्ट जरूर दोगे राइट कि डोंट वरी यू
Yes,
विल गेट
ma'am.
यस यू विल गेट योर थिंग्स बैक एंड एवरीथिंग राइट यस
You
मेरी
don't
हाँ बेटा
come in panic. That we will give to
हाँ
neighbors. Ma'am, we will tell to neighbors that don't panic, don't scare, don't cry. Your things
हाँ
will be with you. Police will give you your all things.
police will not give police will investigate and try to find out their things okay
Yes, ma'am.
yes Mary revise this answer then we'll go to the next one
Okay, ma'am. 30. If the theft at house. Answer. If the theft takes place in my neighbor's house, first of all, I will inform the nearest police station. I will write the list of the stolen items posted in the presence police. I will cooperate to the proceeding. I will search if the thieves have left any footprints behind. I will offer moral support to my to the neighbors.
हाँ बेटा बोलो. हाँ हाँ, वॉइस वॉज नॉट क्लियर. मेरीन, आपके वॉइस क्लियर नहीं था, आपके माइक में कोई प्रॉब्लम था. एनीवन एल्स वुड लाइक टू रिवाइज?
Ma'am, can I revise it?
व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Ma'am, I only.
हाँ, रिवाइज.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 2. If there is a theft at your neighbor's house, answer. If theft takes place in my neighbor's house, first of all, I will inform the nearest police station. I will get the list of the stolen items prepared in the presence of police. I will cooperate to the police proceedings. I will search if the thieves have left any
Evidence.
evidence
हाँ.
evidence behind. I will offer moral support to the neighbor.
Who read this answer?
Ma'am, I read Muskan.
Okay, very good, Muskan. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I love because I don't.
Sorry.
That's my college. Ma'am, I read again. Anyone.
Your voice is not clear at all.
Ma'am, I read my is coming. Then I left again and I cannot read one. Can I
Now, in this lesson, we are going to see about a martyr. Okay, martyr कौन होता है? Who is the martyr? We are going to see. Okay, so
Okay,
martyr, a martyr is a person who sacrifices or suffers death in the defense of his faith or belief in the country or a city or a village is called martyr. इन हिंदी फिर से मार्टियर को शहीद बोला जाता है. क्या बोला जाता है?
शहीद.
हाँ, जो अपने देश के लिए शहीद हो जाए, है ना. वन हु सफर्स डेथ इन द एविडेंस ऑफ हिज फेथ और बिलीफ इन हिज कंट्री और सिटी और विलेज, ही और शी इज कॉल्ड अ मार्टियर. क्या बोला जाता है उसको?
मार्टियर.
यस, मार्टियर. यस. So, who is a martyr? जो अपने देश के लिए शहीद हो जाए, है ना. One who dies for his country. Yes, in defense of his faith or belief in his country or city or a village is called martyr. Okay. Yes. Note down this answer, everyone, quickly.
Ma'am, in rough book.
Yes, in rough book. Who is a martyr? Can I say you one story? Written, everyone?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Written?
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Yes. What you write?
2 minutes.
Read better, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 1. Is it martyr? Answer. Written, ma'am. One who suffers death in defense of his faith or belief in his country or city or village is called martyr.
Yeah. And in Hindi, what is martyr known as?
Shahid.
Very good. So,
Yes, ma'am, Shahid.
yes. So, a martyr is a person who dies for his own village or a country. Now, beta, here we are going to talk about one man. He is Chandrasekhar. Okay. तो मैं आपको चंद्रशेखर की पहले थोड़ी स्टोरी बताती हूँ. ओके. चंद्रशेखर जो है वो हिस्ट्री में चंद्रशेखर आजाद के नाम से पहचाने जाते हैं. व्हाट नेम ही इज नोन एज बेटा?
Chandrasekhar Azad.
हाँ. और बेटा,
Chandrasekhar Azad.
हाँ जी. तो चंद्रशेखर जो थे उनका जो रियल नाम था ना वो क्या था पता है आपको?
Chandra.
उनका रियल नेम क्या था पता है किसी
No,
को?
ma'am.
है ना.
No.
वो हमारे नेशन की प्राइड है. क्यों पता है? बिकॉज लाइक गांधी जी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इन सब के जैसे उन्होंने भी हमारे देश की आजादी के लिए काम किया था. है ना. तो चंद when you mute your mic, I'll say the story. Otherwise, I cannot say.
Excuse me for a ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, now my voice is coming.
हाँ, it is coming. चलो mute your mics everyone.
Ma'am, I left because of call is coming on again and again. That's why of Iman.
Who is it?
Ma'am, I question.
हाँ कुलसुम, माइक म्यूट करो. चलो फटाफट. नाउ जो चंद्रशेखर आजाद थे वो जब छोटे थे ना, व्हेन ही वाज स्मॉल, एट दैट टाइम बेटा व्हाट हैपेंड के उनका नाम चंद्रशेखर आजाद नहीं था. तो किसी को पता है उनका नाम क्या था?
No, ma'am.
उनका सही नाम चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी था. क्या था?
Chandrasekhar Sitaram.
यस,
Chandrasekhar Sitaram.
चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी था. क्या था? चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी. और बेटा उनको बचपन से ही देशभक्ति, अपने देश के लिए कुछ करने की भावना थी. कुछ टू डू समथिंग फॉर हिज ओन नेशन, आवर नेशन India. So he was very much devoted towards his nation. So when he was very small, when the Britishers were there in our country, at that who is again unmuting their mics? Don't you understand? Who is it?
Ma'am, it is written Rehan Ganyani.
Rehan Ganyani.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am Alicia.
Mute your mic, everyone. Again and again, all of you unmute your mics. I don't understand why. Yes, can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when Chandrasekhar, what I said you, Chandrasekhar's real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. Okay. So beta, when he was very small, police had arrested him. British police has arrested him. Why? उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ काम किया था जो ब्रिटिशर्स को पसंद नहीं आया था. तो ब्रिटिशर्स पुलिस ने उनको अरेस्ट किया था बेटा. और जब चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी को अरेस्ट किया, एट दैट टाइम ही वाज सो स्मॉल. है ना. वो इतने छोटे थे कि पुलिस के पास उनके साइज के हैंडकफ्स भी नहीं थे. हैंडकफ्स એટલે હથકડી. Okay. Police did not have handcuffs of his size. He was so small. Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. So you can understand कि from so small age he has, you know, in his mind he has something to do for his nation, है ना. So at that time Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari was very small. फिर उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया, है ना. तो एट दैट टाइम बेटा द पुलिस डिड नॉट हैव हैंडकफ्स ऑफ हिज साइज. फिर उनको कोर्ट में प्रेजेंट किया. कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया बेटा?
Court. In
हाँ
court.
हाँ
In
कोर्ट.
court में.
हाँ तो कोर्ट में जब उनको ले गए चंद्रशेखर सीताराम तिवारी को, तब उनको पूछा गया कि बेटा आपका नाम क्या है. क्या पूछा गया? व्हाट इज योर नेम, है ना. तो चंद्रशेखर ने क्या जवाब दिया?
Yes,
किसी
ma'am.
को पता है? चंद्रशेखर ने जवाब दिया कि मेरा नाम आजाद है. क्या है?
Azad.
यस, माय नेम इज आजाद, है ना. फिर
Yes,
जज
ma'am.
फिर जज ने उनको ऐसा पूछा कि आप कहाँ रहते हो, वेयर डू यू लिव. तो ही सेड कि आई लिव इन प्रिजन. प्रिजन, जेल. कहाँ रहते हो? प्रिजन, राइट, है ना. तो उसी दिन से चंद्रशेखर का नाम चंद्रशेखर आजाद हो गया था. क्या हो गया था? चंद्रशेखर.
Chandrasekhar Azad.
हाँ. तो चंद्रशेखर ने ऐसा जवाब क्यों दिया? क्योंकि वो आजादी के लिए लड़ रहे थे. उनके उनके दिल में ये जज्बा था. उनको कभी डर नहीं था, है ना, कि चाहे कितनी भी बार उनको प्रिजन में डालो तो उनको डर नहीं था. वो अपने देश के लिए, आजादी के लिए लड़ते ही रहेंगे, है ना. तो चंद्रशेखर, हाँ, चंद्रशेखर को
Yes, ma'am.
हमारे देश को आजादी दिलवाने में सब उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. That is why his name is Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari was then known as Chandrasekhar Azad. What was it known as, beta?
Chandrasekhar Azad.
Yes. See this question, Muskan. Read the second number question.
Yes, ma'am. Question number second. What did Chandrasekhar said to the court about his name? Answer. Chandrasekhar told the court that his name was Azad.
Yes. What did he say to the court about his name?
That my name is Azad. He said that my name is Azad. Azad.
Hmm. Right? Okay. Understood?
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
some
Understood.
then some punishment was given, okay, by British judge to Chandrasekhar. You know what punishment was given? The
No,
British
ma'am.
judge ordered 12 whippings with scourge to Chandrasekhar as a punishment. 12 whippings with scourge मतलब कि वो चाबुक से नहीं मारते,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. ऐसे 12 बार मारने का ऐसा पनिशमेंट ब्रिटिश जज ने चंद्रशेखर को उस टाइम पे दिया था. बिकॉज ही आंसर बैक आंसर्ड, राइट. तो ब्रिटिश जज थे उस टाइम पे. ही गेव हिम पनिशमेंट एज 12 whippings with scourge. Okay. So
Ma'am,
all
okay,
this is
ma'am.
all this is about different leaders, है ना. ऐसे ही महात्मा गांधी ने बहुत सारा काम किया था हमारे देश के लिए.
Yes,
देन
ma'am.
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल और बहुत सारे ऐसे लीडर्स है जो
Ma'am,
हमारे
the
देश,
Jawaharlal Nehru.
जो हमारे देश के लिए मार्टियर बन चुके हैं, जो हमारे देश के लिए शहीद हो चुके हैं, है ना. तो
Yes, ma'am.
यस, ऐसे मार्टियर्स को हम बार बार याद करते रहते हैं. जैसे हम याद करते हैं 15th August, 26th January, है ना, when we
Yes, ma'am.
celebrate